How's it going today, guys? My name is Sven Bazang, and I'm a student of the 4-year Electrical Engineering Technology program here at SUNY Canton. I've actually just completed my second year, so I'll be receiving my associate's degree and continuing to the 4-year program to get my bachelor's. So I just wanted to take a second to talk to you guys about this project we completed in Dr. Frempong's telecommunications lab, and also give you guys a brief rundown of our program here at SUNY Canton for Electrical Engineering Technology. So this right here is a AM/FM radio. We started by inventorying all of our components and verifying everything, and then we started down here with our audio amplifier circuit. So this controls the audio for both the FM and AM side of our radio. So we started here, everything is soldered as you can see, and then we did a series of tests via DMM, oscilloscope, and signal generator to verify functionability before moving on to the next stage. So the order we went in was from our audio amplifier to our AM detector, our AM amplifying stages, the AM antenna, all the way up to the FM detector, FM amplifiers, our FM mixer and oscillator, all the way to our FM antenna. So I'll play it for you guys real quick and show you how it works. It functions pretty much as any radio you would see. So here's our volume control and power. Antenna. These here, we actually had to tune. As you can see, these transformers up here were tuned so that we could pull signals. This controls what frequency you're on, basically to find your station. So as you can see right there, right on the money, our antenna. There's a local station we're pulling in. So all around, I would say this is an amazing project. It took most students about 10 to 14 weeks to complete. Lots of troubleshooting included, which is an amazing skill that any electrical engineer, any engineer for that matter, should have. I don't know a student personally who didn't struggle a little bit with this, but like I said, that's the beautiful part of engineering, is messing things up, finding how it got messed up and fixing it, and overcoming and adapting. So I said, lots of troubleshooting, lots of hands-on work included in this project. Everything was hand soldered by each student, as you can see back here. And more on our program, we have two programs here to offer for electrical engineering technology. We have a 2-year program, more suited towards those who want to be technicians, as you could maybe call them more advanced electricians that do more hands-on work. And then we have our 4-year electrical engineering technology program for those who want to be technologists, full-fledged electrical engineers. And when I say electrical engineer, that could mean a plethora of things, from somebody who would work at National Grid, like power and transmission, power generation, all the way to somebody archonic perhaps, a factory setting, Alcoa, someone who is working in a factory on PLCs and automation for equipment to manufacture products, all the way to digital and digital fundamental stuff, such as perhaps you're designing computers and motherboards, all the way down to the smallest level. So for that reason, electrical engineering, it's a very broad spectrum of things you can do with this degree. And furthermore, on the job employment side of things, SUNY Canton specifically has one of the highest employment rates out of all the SUNY schools. We have a couple services here that we offer as well, such as the career fair, where employers will actually come to our school and the students get a chance to meet and talk to them and perhaps set up employment potentially immediately after school. So, and I have seen that happen quite a few times. Internships as well. I myself have an internship at Arconic, which I achieved via the career fair, as well as our advisory board, which actually advises our instructors and program coordinators on how our curriculum can be set up to benefit students that will be going to industry. That way, students are more ready for industry from our degree. And beyond that, there's also, as we have a smaller program, there's lots of time that students can have with our professors. The professors are very much available to the students. They have lots of office hours, lab time, even lecture. I myself and many other students have had many one-on conversations with our professors here who are extremely knowledgeable. A lot of them have PhDs and are very experienced in their industry. And that benefits our students as well, because we get a lot of time to understand our material, to ask questions, even if they may be outside of the course. and just to build more knowledge. Lots of time and availability to speak with our professors. So that is our program, and this is our AM/FM radio, and I look forward to seeing some of you.